Are you premenopausal? Do you want to know some of the best natural remedy drinks that would help as you are transitioning into menopause? If you're navigating the ups and downs of menopause and looking for natural ways to feel your best, you've clicked on the right video. Today we're diving into the top 13 natural drinks that can help ease those menopause symptoms and keep you feeling balanced and energized. From water to soothing herbal teas, we've got some delicious and healthy options coming your way. So, without any delay, let's get started. 1. Water. During menopause, water is a crucial drink as over 80% of women experience hot flashes. Drinking 11.5 cups of water daily can help minimize episodes and provide instant relief. Drinking 8 glasses daily can help with dry, itchy, and wrinkled skin due to reduced estrogen levels. Adequate water helps stay hydrated and moisturize skin. Menopausal women often experience stress and anxiety due to fluctuating hormone levels. While water cannot cure depression or anxiety, staying hydrated can alleviate some symptoms. Flavored water can be used if the regular water taste is bland. Lemon juice can also be a refreshing addition to water, as it helps lessen hot flashes and regulates glucose levels. Keeping a cold water bottle handy can provide instant relief during hot flashes. 2. Buttermilk. Another relieving drink for menopause is buttermilk, which is immensely helpful in minimizing hot flashes. Buttermilk is a refreshing drink that can help reduce hot flashes and maintain water balance, reducing body heat. In menopause, you will not just experience hot flashes. There are other problems such as bloating and indigestion. It also aids digestion and boosts metabolism due to its lactic acid and healthy bacteria content. Drinking buttermilk can help maintain hydration and health, especially during the summer months when ice is added. By adding a cube or two of ice, you can enjoy a refreshing and hydrating beverage that can help alleviate the symptoms of hot flashes. 3. Green tea. Green tea has numerous benefits for the management of menopausal symptoms. Reduced estrogen levels during perimenopause and menopause cause bone weakness and loss. It may cause osteoporosis and other bone-related problems. A study published in 2009 found that green tea can help strengthen bones and reduce the incidence of fractures that women are prone to after menopause. Maca, a type of green tea, is useful for treating menopausal symptoms due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. These benefits of green tea may have drawn more women to it, particularly those who had previously gone through menopause. Green tea usage among postmenopausal women is 33.3%, compared to 21% in premenopause, indicating a significant shift in consumption patterns. Quarta dong quai. Dong quai, also known as female ginseng, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to address menopause symptoms and hormonal imbalances. It is believed to have estrogen-like effects and may help regulate hormone levels. Dong quai is often recommended for managing hot flashes, mood swings, and menstrual irregularities. While some studies suggest potential benefits, the evidence supporting its effectiveness in alleviating menopause symptoms is limited, and further research is required. 5. Ginseng tea. Ginseng is effective in reducing menopause symptoms, with studies showing its health benefits. A 2021 study found that ginseng improved symptoms in women with osteopenia, a condition where the body loses the ability to make new bones quickly. Additionally, ginseng reduced hot flashes and cardiovascular disease risks in postmenopausal women. However, it is advised to consult a doctor if you are on blood thinners or have diabetes or blood pressure medications before consuming ginseng extracts. 6th, Kokum juice. Kokum, a popular Indian food with a bright red color, is rich in vitamins and minerals and offers health benefits. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, helping manage rheumatic pains. Kokum is also rich in antioxidants, preventing sagging and wrinkling skin. During menopause, kokum juice can help manage dry skin and reduce bone health. Additionally, it has coolant properties, making it an effective remedy for hot flashes. 7. Black cohosh root tea. Black cohosh root is effective in managing menopausal symptoms such as vaginal dryness, night sweats, hot flashes, and anxiety. Studies show it is more effective than fluoxetine in treating these symptoms in early menopausal women. Black cohosh root extracts are commonly consumed as herbal infusions or pill forms and are considered a safe substitute for hormone replacement therapy. However, pregnant women or those with liver or blood pressure problems should avoid using this extract. 8. Ginkgo biloba tea. Ginkgo biloba contains phytoestrogens, which mimic the functions of estrogens, helping to manage hormonal imbalances. It is therefore helpful to lessen symptoms like hot flashes, anxiety, etc., common in menopause. If you are already on blood clotting medications, you should not have this tea, as it could result in blood clotting. 9. Maca root tea. Maca root, a plant native to the Andes in Peru, is gaining popularity as a natural remedy for menopause symptoms due to its potential hormone balancing effects. Maca root tea, made by steeping dried maca root powder in hot water, is rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds, including alkaloids and flavonoids. It is believed to nourish the endocrine system and support hormonal balance. Many women find maca root tea helpful in alleviating symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and fatigue. While scientific evidence on maca root's effectiveness is limited, some studies suggest it may improve overall well-being and quality of life during menopause. Consultation with a healthcare provider is recommended before regular use. 10th evening primrose tea. Evening primrose tea, derived from the seeds of the evening primrose plant, is known for its potential benefits in managing menopause symptoms. It contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid essential for hormone regulation. Studies show that GLA can reduce inflammation and promote hormone balance, potentially alleviating menopause symptoms. However, individual responses may vary, and further research is needed to definitively establish its effectiveness in managing menopause symptoms. 11th. Licorice tea. Licorice root tea, derived from the licorice plant root, has been traditionally used to treat health issues, including menopause symptoms. It contains phytoestrogens that can balance hormone levels and reduce hot flashes. These phytoestrogens have a mild estrogenic effect, mimicking the actions of estrogen, potentially alleviating menopause symptoms. Additionally, licorice root tea has anti-inflammatory properties, supporting overall well-being during menopause. However, due to its glycyrrhizin content, it may interact with certain medications or medical conditions, so it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before consuming licorice root tea. In menopause, your overall health gets immensely affected, so drinking this tea will help to provide relief to a greater extent. 12th. Red clover tea. When you are on the lookout for a healthy drink to manage your menopause symptoms, you cannot ignore the effectiveness of red clover tea. It has been found that red clover contains the phytoestrogen isoflavone, which has estrogen-like properties. Thus, it is beneficial in managing the hormonal imbalances one is susceptible to during the menopause transition and menopause phase. It is also said to improve symptoms of vaginal dryness and hot flashes women suffer during this time. However, the effectiveness of red clover tea in managing menopausal symptoms is said to be mild. 13. Tomato juice. Surprisingly enough, another effective remedy that will help manage menopausal symptoms is tomato juice. A study conducted on 95 women aged between 40 and 60 showed that some ingredients in tomato juice effectively alleviated anxiety and other symptoms of menopause. Tips for making the perfect cup of herbal tea. Brewing the perfect cup of herbal tea requires using fresh, high-quality herbs, filtered water, and the right temperature. Fresh herbs are essential for their taste and efficacy, while filtered water ensures the tea is impurities-free. The brewing temperature should be between 185 degrees Fahrenheit and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the herbs. Steeping the tea for the right amount of time, typically 5 to 10 minutes, is also crucial for its taste and efficacy. It is essential to follow the instructions on your herbs to determine the appropriate steeping time. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the best possible experience when brewing your herbal tea. Are herbal drinks safe to use during menopause? Yes, herbal drinks are generally safe to use during menopause. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Are there any side effects of herbal drinks? Yes, herbal drinks are generally well tolerated, but some individuals may experience mild side effects such as gastrointestinal upset or allergic reactions. It's important to start with small amounts and monitor your body's response. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and seek medical advice. And there we have it. Menopause is a natural biological process that can be uncomfortable and disruptive. While medications are available to alleviate symptoms, many women prefer natural remedies like herbal drinks. By incorporating herbal drinks into your daily routine and lifestyle changes like regular exercise and a healthy diet, you can manage your menopause symptoms and enjoy this new phase of life. Do you have any favorite drinks that have helped you during menopause? Share your recipes and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for watching.